You're welcome to Chef and Fitness! Today I want to show you how to make that slimy okra with no tomatoes, no other thing. Very, very healthy. You first wash your okra very well. You can either grate it or cut them into smaller pieces or medium sizes, anyhow you want it. Then you transfer it into a boiling water. Look at how slimy it's looking. I added ayoyo leaves. I have to look for the English name for this to make it extra healthy and slimy. Then some people use broom. I use the mixture. You just do it so that it will be more slimy, you know. Keep stirring. Pa, 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 pa. Now we are coming to make the sauce. All we have to do is to blend our garlic, ginger, and onions. Only this. Use as much as onions and garlic and ginger and pepper, fresh pepper you want. Based on your taste, it's pepper to taste. Once you're done blending, you preheat your pan. You steam your oil with whatever you want. You can use onions. I prefer the salted beef, although I have soaked it for a while for the salt to be out of it. It gives it a certain flavor. When you are done, you add your garlic, ginger, pepper, onions blend. Just add it to it. Once you're done, you have to let it cook so that you can get that flavor. You add your cube. Any type of cube, not too much. I'm not adding salt to it because although I've soaked the beef already, there is a chance that there will be some salt in it. After you add your proteins, I'm using just fish because I'm on diet. You can use whatever you want. Once everything is cooked, then you add your okra. Let it steam. Bring your banku, your rice, your gari. You can eat it. If you are not a Ghanaian, you can try this and you can use all quantity that you want. I don't like too much oil because I want to enjoy the stew. This is yummy. See my banku. You are good to go. Your slimy banku. Yummy. Delicious. Enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Like, follow, share, and comment. Love you!